Discover the TWOTREES TS2 CNC Laser Engraver, a high-performance laser engraving and cutting machine engineered for creators, woodworkers, makers, designers, small businesses, and professional workshops. Combining powerful laser technology, intelligent automation, wireless connectivity, and precision engineering, the TS2 is designed to deliver fast, accurate, and professional engraving and cutting across a wide range of materials. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the TWOTREES TS2 and explore its advanced features, including a 160W laser system, a spacious 410x410mm working area, built-in air assist, automatic focus, Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, offline operation, and a high-precision motion system that ensures exceptional engraving quality and cutting performance. Whether you're creating personalized gifts, business signs, wooden artwork, leather products, acrylic displays, custom logos, decorative crafts, prototypes, or small-scale production items, the TWOTREES TS2 delivers outstanding precision, speed, and reliability. The large 410x410mm engraving area provides plenty of workspace for medium-sized projects while maintaining excellent accuracy across the entire surface, making it ideal for both hobbyists and commercial users. Key features: 160W high-performance CNC Laser Engraver, precision laser engraving and cutting, large 410x410mm working area, built-in air assist system, automatic laser focus, Wi-Fi wireless connectivity, smart app control, offline printing support, high-speed engraving performance, precision motion control system, stable all-metal frame construction, high engraving accuracy, clean and efficient cutting performance. Compatible with popular laser engraving software. CE certified for safety and quality. Smart device compatibility. Suitable for home workshops and professional studios. Ideal for creative businesses and DIY projects. Reliable long-duration operation. Modern and user-friendly design. The integrated autofocus system automatically adjusts the laser to the optimal focal distance, eliminating manual calibration and ensuring maximum engraving precision and cutting efficiency for every project. The built-in air assist continuously directs airflow toward the cutting area, helping remove smoke, dust, and debris while reducing burn marks and improving edge quality. With Wi-Fi connectivity, intelligent app control, and offline printing support, users can easily manage projects from a computer or compatible smart device or operate the machine independently without maintaining a constant connection. The TS2 supports engraving and cutting on a wide variety of materials, including wood, plywood, MDF, bamboo, leather, acrylic, cardboard, paper, cork, fabric, rubber, anodized aluminum, painted metal, stainless steel, engraving on compatible surfaces, slate and stone, glass, engraving with proper settings. Its rigid frame and precision motion system minimize vibration during operation, producing sharp details, smooth curves, and consistent engraving quality across complex designs. Whether you're starting a laser engraving business, expanding your workshop, producing custom products, or exploring creative digital fabrication, the TWOTREES TS2 offers the power, versatility, and intelligent features needed to turn your ideas into professional quality creations.